Hi guys, I'm Nipinder Jesse. See you guys crazy about bike stunts but you don't know how to do them? Well, the good news is, you can, and I'm here to tell you how. But you know what? You have to wear proper protection. You have to wear gloves, high boots, knee pads, and a very good for your head. Because if you try exposing like Salman Khan, you'll soon have an ugly face and a broken body. And you know what? Girls don't like that. Alright guys, the first and the easiest thing that we can learn is a donut. That's about spinning the bike round and round. And to do a donut, we're going to divide this technique into 3 parts. The first part is how you hold the clutch. Normally we use the clutch with all 4 fingers, but here we're only going to use the 2 fingers, the forefinger and the middle finger, and the remaining fingers we're going to use it to hold the bike. This way we have a steady control on the clutch. Even if the bike's moving, sliding, we can hold the clutch in a proper manner. The second thing is stand up, because if you sit down, all your 60, 70 kgs, 80 kgs is going to be on the wheel and it carries you away. It doesn't spin, it carries you away. So you have to stand up and use your inner leg as a compass, as an apex where the bike's going to spin round and round. And the third thing is I'm holding the bike with my thigh. I can let go of my hand and still the bike's not falling down. So these are the 3 steps, and when we combine them all together, we can do a very nice donut. And let's see how we do this now. Don't have to give so much gas, because when you give so much gas, the bike will spin out of control. Give it a little steady throttle like this. Release the clutch and see how it goes. See, it's quite easy.